Good girl, Gracie. Where's the sock? Oh, good girl. Throw it over there. Throw it fall over there. Oh, okay. Haley, come get the ball from the doggy. She's on the couch. Get the ball. Throw it in the corner. Throw it over there. Over there, Haley. Good girl. He's okay. I didn't take any pictures. You want to see that? See? The ball. Where'd the doggy go? Call her. Call Gracie. Call Gracie. Oh, she's getting a drink, honey. Haley. You got the ball? Where's the ball? I think Gracie's tired. Where's the ball, Gracie? Where's your ball? No, I don't think it's down there, honey.